Hi there, my name is JP and welcome to Diary Nilagay YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching our video, we're giving contents for self-improvement, life tips and tricks, and helpful reviews. And since this is going to be our first video for this 2023, I'll be sharing today on how I was able to set my goals for this new year and other important things that we should know. 2 years ago, I shared a video about tips on how to make our year successful, and as the time goes by, I have realized that even though you're knowledgeable enough on how to handle your new year, but if you don't have a goal, it will never be successful. Every new year, most of us are creating New Year's resolution, and the very first thing that we need to do is to stop using the word resolution, because resolution is just a statement of something that we need to change. And instead of using resolution, we need to change it into goals, because goals are something that we want to achieve, the steps on how to achieve it, and when we want to achieve it by. Having goals will give us more clarity and possibility for the things that we want to achieve and to have a successful year. In other words, goals are better than resolution when it comes for achieving things. I shared with my previous video about how to be more productive this year 2023. I'll put the link on the description box, and I highly recommend that you may watch that video after this, as it will give you an idea on how to work with your goals with simplicity. And whether you're using planner, notebook, or digital tools, we still need any of those tools when it comes for setting our goals. Why? Because we are human beings and we forget things. And we can't just rely to our brain or to our memories. And since a goal is composed of a process, having any of those tools like planner, notebook, or digital tools will guide us along the way on how to achieve all the things that we want by end of this year 2023. So the very first thing that we need to do in setting up of our goals is to make a list of all the things that we need to achieve in every area of our life for the whole year 2023. And in listing of our goals, we need to use SMART method. Make sure that it is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So let me give you 3 examples of goals. So example number 1, which area of our life pertains to our work. So first thing is we need to be realistic and be specific about what you want to achieve in your workplace before the year end of 2023. Let's say, for example, you're currently working as a call center agent, and your goal for this year is to be promoted as a subject matter expert, or maybe your goal is to become a trainer. So to make it easy for you, just ask yourself if it is attainable. If not, change it. If yes, go for it. And the second goal is about our savings. So first, we need to ask ourselves on how much savings that we want to have before end of this year 2023. So let's say, for example, based from your monthly income, you can save 4,000 pesos per month. So the attainable savings you can achieve by end of this year is 48,000 pesos or more. So you just have to multiply the 4,000 into 12 months. So what I'm trying to say is, do not set impossible goals. It's not about we underestimate our ability, but it's about making things real. And our goal number 3 pertains to our health. Again, setting goals is not all about something you want to become, but it's all about something you want to achieve. Let's say by end of this year, you want to achieve 4 sessions quarterly for physical and dental checkup. So instead of, I want to become a healthy person, your goal should be how to achieve being a healthy person. So those are only 3 examples of goals, and I know you can list more goals with common area of your lives, whether for your studies, for your family, for your spiritual life, for your financial life, for your career, for your investments, and more. And now the last step that you have to do is to plan the process on how to achieve each goals by executing it every day, every month, or in a short period of time that will contribute to the totality of your year-end success. Example, you are studying and your goal for this year is to be part of Dean's Lister or top students. So since a goal is composed of processes, you need to list all the things that you need to do in a short period of time in order for you to achieve your year-end goal. So instead of saying, I will study hard, you need to be specific and list how you will study hard. Example, for this month of January, so your plan is to spend 2 hours every day with your evening routine to study, read your books, review your lessons, or complete your homework. You can also put dates or a specific timeline if necessary. And whenever you achieve a specific goal before the date that you're about to complete it, don't stop creating more goals because it will help you to learn more, and also it will give you an opportunity to achieve more goals by the end of the year 2023. And the reason why we need to have tools when it comes for setting our goals like notebooks, planner, or digital tools is to be reminded us all the time about the goals that we need to achieve by the end of year 2023. And also it will give you the option to modify it if necessary. And as early as now, think of all of your goals that you want to achieve in every aspects of your life, and let's work in the process in achieving it. I hope this video helped you and give you an idea on how to set your goals for this year 2023. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have something to share, don't hesitate to comment below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be updated every time that we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope and pray that all of our goals will be achieved this year 2023. Once again, Happy New Year!